out here singing.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. There's two of them. Yeah. Let's get up here on this flat. All right. Some beach coming around. It's in between that hollow up there and on that flat. He'd get closer.
boy. Howdy.
Old man that'll call him.
No.
You see what them lines and them little clips do. But no, I mean that's.
Oh. I hit him a little low, but that's still in the neck. We didn't get his beard.
You seen him fluffing up and strutting when that flying in there?
No.
You didn't? Can you?
No, I couldn't see him until I mean, I was sitting there, you know, I'd turned down the bank because when he gobbled that last time, I thought he was down here because he
gobbled. He was right out here.
Well,
I thought,
he gobbled out this way, and then I heard him drum over here, so I turned back.
Oh,
and, well, I've hunted with you so long, I know when they get in close and you do that whine, I know you can see him. So you went, and I just seen his fan go up. I seen the corner, the very last tail feather on the left of his fan, I seen it come past that tree, and I went, oh, he's right here.
Mm-hmm. I was watching him the whole time. I'd whine, he'd strut.
Oh, it's about 40. You can see my...
It was about 34 yards or something. 35. He's about 33 yards. He ain't far as you thought. Because you were sitting at that big tree.
I mean, yeah, I can see my drake.
I went, that thing didn't fluff up. I was trying to get him slowed down so you could see him.
Yeah, he's 35 yards.
10, 20.
I don't know.
He's about 32 yards right here. He's about 33. Yeah, that
Well, you want to carry our butts on up the bank and see if we can strike up another one?
No, we can. We get some pictures.